Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you how to tie a tie. Whether you have a job interview coming up or a special occasion where you want to look sharp, knowing how to tie a tie is a valuable skill. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Start by draping the tie around your neck with the wide end on your right side and the narrow end on your left side. Make sure the wide end is longer compared to the narrow end. It should hang about 12 inches below the narrow end. Step 2. Cross the wide end over the narrow end, forming an X shape just below your collarbone. Hold the wide end in place with your left hand, ensuring it stays longer than the narrow end. Step 3. Now, bring the wide end underneath the narrow end towards your right side. Keep holding it with your left hand to maintain the X shape. Step 4. Take the wide end up and over the X, from right to left, and then pull it through the loop around your neck. This loop will serve as a temporary knot, so don't worry if it looks a bit messy at this stage. Step 5. With the wide end now on your left side, fold it towards the right and bring it across the front of the knot from right to left. Make sure the folded part is facing outward. Step 6. Take the wide end behind the knot from left to right, ensuring the folded part remains on the front side. Step 7. Bring the wide end up through the loop around your neck, making sure it passes from underneath the knot to the front side. This will create another loop in front of the knot. Step 8. Take the wide end and bring it down through the loop you just created in front of the knot. Adjust the tightness of the knot by gently pulling the wide end downwards. Step 9. Hold the narrow end of the tie with one hand and use your other hand to slide the knot up towards your neck until it feels comfortable and looks symmetrical. You can also adjust the tightness by pulling on the narrow end. Step 10. Finally, check yourself out in the mirror and make any necessary adjustments to the knot or the length of the tie. You want it to be well proportioned and sit just right on your collar. There you have it. You've successfully tied a tie. With practice, this process will become quicker and more natural to you. Remember, it's all about repetition and finding a tying style that you feel most comfortable with. Now that you know how to tie a tie, you can add a touch of sophistication to your overall look on any occasion. Whether it's a business meeting or a wedding, a well-tied tie can make all the difference. So go ahead, take your time, and practice this skill until you feel confident. Soon enough, you'll be a pro at tying ties. Don't forget to share this tutorial with your friends who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning and keep looking sharp.